walking the Polish seaside in December. I love it. This Dutch girl fell in love with Poland 1.5 years ago. I'm living like a nomad through this beautiful country, and this is my biggest adventure yet. Walking the whole Polish coastline in December. It's such an amazing adventure already. Please be part of it. Good morning, everyone. I slept a good night again. Don't look at my hair. Today we will do another around 20 kilometers, so I can leave a little bit later than 8. I think I will leave at 10 because my check-in at my next guest house is around 3, so I have a lot of hours to walk. So relaxed morning. Look guys, there's blue sky and the moon again. So I saw it was -11 and it felt like -18. So that's pretty cold again. So I have to dress warm again, putting on all my layers. Today I have around 19 kilometers to Mugino. So I think it will be a lot of coast, beach, tiny villages. So let's see. Almost ready again for those freezing temperatures. So one thing that is a little bit coming up now is my left collarbone. So I sometimes have some pain there, and maybe my Polish mommy will remember, but I had, before I left Poland, end of May 2021, I also had like an injury here that I couldn't really move my arm because then it hurts. And now, of course, that's coming back because of the heavy backpack, but let's see how it goes. I still have 4 days to go and I will just keep on going, and hopefully my left shoulder collarbone will not hurt too much. But we will keep going. 4 days to go, so I'm not going to stop now. So let's protect my hair again. Okay, let's go. It is cold. Let me put my hood up again. Oh. Where are we now? Look at the frost on the trees. It looks pretty. I think I found a way to the beach. Yeah, for sure, between the trees. Oh, there's that mist again, look at it. Looks stunning. This is so magical. Oh, wow. You're kidding me? We're not alone. There are all the souls being with us. Amazing. So the beach is frozen again. So I have to be careful with my phone. So cannot film all the time. Look at the ice. Whoa. Okay, let's go that way. So this evening we also have the gender reveal of my brother and his girlfriend. So then I will know if I will get a little niece or a little nephew in April next year. I think it will be a girl, but let's see. What a beautiful coastline Poland has. I love it. ice skate on the beach. Look at this, frozen. So this morning I woke up a little bit feeling lonely, but then I remembered that I can choose how I look at things and what I focus upon and how I feel. Because this week someone well known in the US, I knew him from the Ellen show, for example. He killed himself, and he was such a joyful and happy person, always sharing his light and his love and care for other people. So no one would have ever expected that this would happen. He had a family, 3 daughters, a wife, and from the outside his life looked like amazing, and he was so successful and so loved by so many people, but he was just giving his light to everyone else and making everyone else important. And I think he forgot himself, and that's the thing, that you can share your love and light, but you must never forget to also share that light with yourself, because you need it as well. And if you forget yourself, then you come in such dark places. Even though everything around you is like beautiful, still inside of you it can feel like so empty, and that's crazy to think about. But I had that in the beginning of my life as well, that I just shared all my love and care, and I didn't really care about myself. And then I got my depression, and my sister wrote me like a letter, and that made me cry, because she wrote that I was always the one who was cheering everyone up and being so positive and joyful and happy. And now she had to do that with me, but she didn't know how. So I also dimmed my light so much by giving it to others and not giving it to myself, that I came into that dark place. And now I also sometimes have, because I cannot stop like sharing my love and care with other people, even when I don't see you much. You will always be in my heart, and I will always care about you, and I will always remember our moments together, and when your birthday is, for example, and I will always be the one who wants to catch up. And sometimes it's hard, because not everyone is like that, and that's okay. But yeah, if you then don't get messages or something from people, then it can still hurt. But then you have to remember that I'm also my own light, and there are so many people who do care and who do send amazing messages, and all of you, my YouTube family. And now my hands are freezing off, so I have to stop filming. Oh, and some other amazing news is that the biggest newspaper of the area in the Netherlands where I come from will share the story of my friend and I. So it's for Christmas, and they will call it Saving Angels. So they will call my friend, and they will call me next week, and then they will make like a beautiful story about it. So we will reach at least one Dutch newspaper. So that's great. I'm really happy about that. Whoa, look at that. Do I dare to come closer to take a photo? I have to cross some ice for that. Whoa. Whoa, it's really sliding. This also looks amazing, by the way. Wow, so awesome. Kim called again yesterday. So sweet. And on my hands. Whew. The sun. So good. Yes. So beautiful. Oh, and Joanna. She's an amazing Polish woman living in Krakow. She's married to a Dutch guy and they have a wonderful daughter. And she also invited me to come over when I'm back to hear everything about my journey and to eat and drink. And yeah, she's really amazing. Can't wait to spend more time with them. And Eva, she called me her hero because I'm doing so many kilometers through the cold and the snow and stuff. And just, my Ukrainian family can't wait to see me again. It's also Dasha's birthday with Christmas, and they will probably meet my dad and my mom and sister. They're so looking forward to that. And then, of course, Nikki and Brian, my Dutch friends, with the Mein Krakow cycling and walking tours. Them sharing their apartment with me and my family. I'm so blessed, like really. And of course my family in the Netherlands. Oh, yeah. Ooh, my fingers. Crossing another bridge. The sun went away. 4 kilometers to go. To be honest, I'm a little bit exhausted. Today is exactly 2 weeks ago since my journey started, and I really feel it now in my body. Whew. Tomorrow I have another 30 kilometers, so I have to keep going. After this, 3 more days, Ninka, you can do it. Thank you for all of your support. Really need it right now. You really feel like you're somewhere else when you think that's a penguin. They don't live here in Poland. It looks like a penguin from here. Oh, Ninka. See, it does look like a penguin from here. I can hardly talk. My mouth is almost, like my muscles in my face are almost frozen. Wow, what a day. Whew. Almost there, almost. Cute village. I had to first take a shower because I was so cold. I could hardly write my signature at the reception by check-in because all of the strength in my fingers was gone because of the cold. And I showered, and now it feels like the blood is coming back through my legs and feet again. Wow, what a journey. So now I will eat something and then edit yesterday's video for you and upload it, and then I have the gender reveal of my brother and Melanie.